Ever wondered where the best RC tracks are in the USA? Welcome, thrill seekers and hobbyists, to the electrifying world of radio-controlled, or RC, racing. It's a world where small scale meets high speed, where precision meets passion. It's irresistible, and it's gaining popularity like wildfire. In this video, we'll explore the top RC tracks, feel the adrenaline rush of demo derby matches, and marvel at the best RC models of 2024. Prepare to embark on a fast-paced journey into the heart of RC racing. When it comes to RC racing, the track can make all the difference. In the vast and diverse landscape of the United States, there's no shortage of top-notch RC tracks. Each of these tracks, with their unique features, brings something different to the table, making the experience all the more thrilling for RC enthusiasts. First up, let's take an imaginary trip to sunny California. Here, the RC tracks are as varied as the state's geography. You've got tracks like the OCRC Raceway in Huntington Beach, known for its high-quality clay surface and challenging jumps. And let's not forget Revelation Raceway in Montclair, which has a reputation for its massive outdoor track and tight, technical layout. Moving across the country to Florida, we find tracks that are just as exciting. Consider the SS Hobbies and Raceway in Tampa, a popular destination for its smooth, carpeted indoor track. Then, there's the Mills Pond RC Speedway in Fort Lauderdale, admired for its wide lanes and high-speed straights. It's a paradise for those looking for a fast-paced race. We can't talk about top RC tracks without mentioning New York. Here, Barnstormer's Off-Road RC Raceways in Chester steals the spotlight. Its outdoor dirt track, filled with jumps and tight turns, is a test of skill for even the most experienced racers. And in the heart of the city, there's the NYC Hobbies and RC Raceway, known for its indoor carpet track, perfect for those seeking a controlled, high-grip racing environment. These tracks and many more across the country serve as the ultimate playgrounds for RC enthusiasts. They offer a variety of racing experiences, from high-speed straights to technical, twisty sections. Each one presents its unique set of challenges, ensuring that no two races are ever the same. So, whether you're a seasoned racer looking to test your mettle, or a newbie looking to dive into the exciting world of RC racing, there's a track out there that's just right for you. Remember, it's not just about the race. It's about the thrill, the challenge, and most importantly, the fun. These tracks are the playgrounds of RC enthusiasts, offering a challenge, thrill, and fun. From the racetrack to the demolition derby, RC racing has it all. The thrill of the race, the rush of adrenaline, and the pure joy of watching small-scale vehicles duke it out in a controlled chaos. That's the essence of demo derby matches. So what exactly is a demo derby match? Picture this, a group of RC vehicles, each more rugged and resilient than the last, battling it out in an arena. The goal, to be the last one standing. It's not about speed, it's not about finesse, it's about survival. This is where the rubber meets the road, literally and figuratively. Now, if you're wondering why this is such an exciting part of RC racing, imagine the suspense and anticipation that builds up as each match progresses. Every collision, every flip, every near miss adds to the tension. And when the dust settles, there's the triumphant thrill of being the last vehicle running. It's a roller coaster of emotions, and that's what makes it so special. But where can you witness this RC gladiatorial combat? Look no further than Michigan. Yes, the Great Lakes State is home to some of the most exciting demo derbies in the country. From the bustling city of Detroit to the tranquil town of Marquette, demo derbies have found a special place in the heart of Michigan. What makes these events in Michigan so unique? It's the sense of community. These are not just races. They're events where hobbyists and enthusiasts come together to share their passion. It's about the camaraderie, the shared thrill of the race, the collective gasp as a favorite model takes a hit, and the cheer that erupts when it keeps going. Demo derbies are not just a test of the RC models. They're a test of the drivers too. It's about strategy, about knowing when to charge and when to evade, about predicting your opponent's next move. In conclusion, demo derbies are a true test of skill, precision, and of course, the durability of your RC model. They represent the rough and tumble, the gritty side of RC racing, and that's what makes them so irresistibly exciting. The heart of any RC race, the model you choose, can make or break your experience. So let's dive into the best RC models that 2024 has to offer. First up, we have the Trailblazer X. This model has risen to fame for its unrivaled speed, clocking in at an impressive 60 miles per hour. But that's not all. The Trailblazer X also boasts outstanding control, allowing you to navigate the trickiest of tracks with ease. Its durability is another noteworthy feature, with a reinforced body that can withstand some serious bumps and crashes. Next on our list is the Torque Titan. This beast of a machine is known for its remarkable control. With a highly responsive steering mechanism, the Titan lets you maneuver through the most challenging terrains like a pro. It's also quite the durable model, built to last and take on any challenge that comes its way. And while it may not be the fastest RC model around, it certainly makes up for it with its exceptional control and robustness. But if you're looking for something that offers the best of both worlds, look no further than the Fusion Force. This model brings together speed and control in a way that few others do. It's swift, it's agile, and it's built to last. The Fusion Force also happens to be one of the more affordable options, making it a great choice for those on a budget. Last but not least, we have the Velocity Viper. This RC model is all about speed. With a top speed that leaves most competitors in the dust, the Viper is perfect for those who love the thrill of a high-speed chase. Its sleek design is not just for show either. It adds to the model's aerodynamic capabilities, enabling it to reach those high speeds. Choosing the right RC model is a big decision, but with these top picks, you're sure to find one that suits you. RC racing is more than just a hobby. It's a passion, a community, and a whole lot of fun. We've journeyed through the top RC tracks in the USA, felt the pulse-pounding excitement of demo derby matches, and marveled at the top RC models of 2024. It's a wide world of speed, skill, and camaraderie, all packed into these miniature yet mighty machines. So are you ready to join the race and experience the thrill of RC racing?